Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough of the Peace Oracle. I got this in a subscription box, the Empowering Oracle box by Awakening in a Box. I can't say that I've ever used it, so I don't have very specific, it's quite large. I don't have very specific feedback about it. It's just really never called me, and it's not something I would have chosen for myself, but I do believe that everything comes to me for a reason. So it's kind of I love this little pattern though, that's really pretty. It's kind of a really simple book. Not very many. So it's got a few card layouts. It's got an intro, some card layouts. Let's see. Not really. A 2-card and a 3-card. That's by no means innovative. And then it goes through your card messages. So kind of a thin little book. And it is by Tony Carmine Salerno and Leela Williams. The art is pretty. I do like that, and technically it is kind of trying times. So here's the outside. And unity, trust, there are pretty images, truth, treasure, transformation. So this one is pretty good. Timelesser, tapestry, strategy, simplicity, shelter, self-mastery, resolution, release, reflection, realization, priority, positive outcome, persistence, patience, pathways, new beginnings, or new beginning, nature, listen, I kind of like that one, ingenuity, illumination, heart space, healing, gratitude, I absolutely love sunflowers, gateway, forgiveness, forever present, fertility, everlasting life, encounter, earth angel, divine companion, creation, contribution, contemplation, that's the box cover, choice, blessing, awakening, action, acceptance, and abundance. So, they're pretty, number one. Number two, I feel like not all of the images are very evocative of the phrase that they're saying to me. So I'd have to do a little bit more reading to kind of understand where they're coming from, and it might make more sense at that time. Also, a lot of images looked a little bit similar to me. But some of them were really, really beautiful. And the art's very interesting and different. So there's something to be said about that as well. I've got to think of a capacity in which to use these. Like maybe to enrich another reading or clarify a reading, or maybe add something to a reading. I can't think of it that I would use these on my own. I'm going to have to punish my turkeys. Check this out. I'm sorry. This is completely off topic, but look at these little turds. Can you see them right out there? You probably can't. You can probably just see the reflection. They are literally staring at me through the window. And this one's being mean to that one. Hi, turkeys! Oh, I got rid of, not got rid of, oh, he's biting him. I don't know if you guys can see that. If you can't, I'll delete this part. But I'm definitely going to go get that turkey and light him up. So, anyways, guys, so this was the Pizza Oracle deck review. You know, interesting. I've got to think about how I'm going to use it. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.